Hi, today I'm with me OPPO A98 and I'll show you how to link Unlink Google Assistant from Power Key on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then scroll down to the additional settings. Here click the power button and tap the press and hold power button and switch power menu to voice assistant. Now let's just press the power key button, press and hold, and by this way we could see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. To use power menu when a voice assistant is activated by press and hold the power key button, you should just press power key button and volume up button, not the down one, together, and now you'll turn on the power off menu. If you want to turn it off, you should switch voice assistant to power menu, and just by press and hold the power key button you'll launch the power menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.